Today, we're diving into a true winter battle between the Bridgestone Blizzak LM005 and the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 SUV. These tires are designed to keep you safe on snowy, challenging roads. Let's see how they stack up. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Bridgestone Blizzak LM005 set as the reference point at 100%. First up, let's talk wet performance. In wet braking, the Michelin stops 0.17 meters shorter than the Blizzak. For wet handling, the Michelin also edges ahead, completing a lap 0.3 seconds faster. However, in straight-line aquaplaning, the Blizzak takes the lead, resisting aquaplaning at 2.6 kilometers per hour higher speed than the Michelin. Now, on to snow performance, the ultimate winter test. In snow braking, the Michelin stops 0.18 meters shorter than the Blizzak. For snow traction, the Michelin accelerates 0.03 seconds faster, and in snow handling, the Michelin completes the lap 6.25 seconds faster than the Blizzak. Dry performance matters too. In dry braking, the Michelin stops 1.3 meters shorter than the Blizzak. For dry handling, both are neck and neck, with the Michelin completing a lap just 0.02 seconds faster. Comfort and noise are also essential. In the tests, the Michelin scores a perfect 10 in comfort, slightly ahead of the Blizzak's 9.8. For noise, the Michelin records 1.9 decibels quieter than the Bridgestone. For rolling resistance, the Bridgestone has the edge, showing an 11% lower rolling resistance than the Michelin. In summary, the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 SUV excels in snow handling, dry braking, and noise. On the other hand, the Bridgestone Blizzak LM005 excels in aquaplaning and rolling resistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.